coffee after hiking 8 miles. We love this Java mill. We got the pour over to go with it today. Normally we'll just French press our coffee in our JETBOIL, but today, because Annie and Isabelle wanted some tea, we're going to do, and we got this rad new pour over for outdoors. I'm going to put my grounds here, and then put the grounds in there. Okay, this custard tea is rad. One little 12-ounce serving, and we can put it, try to open it all the way, put it in here. And we'll just add hot water. So you want to let the first pour sit there for about 30 seconds. And while that's activating the coffee, go over here, pour in the tea. That's about 12 ounces, right? Here, Dave, you can hold your tea. And then as you pour it, if you swirl, our trail cookies are now trail bars. One of the cool things is when you're done, you take your coffee grounds and put them in your eco lunchbox that you brought up your grounds, and then you practice leave no trace principles.
And composting too.
You had to compost.